Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, today's reaction was requested for a very long time, but I couldn't get the time to react to it because there's so many things that I react to. This is don't put BTS and TXT in the same room. So I'm gonna be, I'm gonna see probably that interaction when BTS and Tomorrow by Together they interact. That'll be very interesting to watch because it's like a senior junior dynamic. So I am really intrigued. I am really intrigued because have I seen them interact? I think there was one clip that I had watched during Jin's birthday where Jin was sort of scolding, not really scolding them. I think they were like, Jin said that oh, you guys were sitting aram se in the in the VIP box and we were performing out in the cold. So Jin was being savage. I think it was in Jin's birthday compilation only. Jin scolding his members featuring TXT. So that is the only thing I've seen, I think, with both of the groups. That's the only interaction I think I've seen. So yes, let's see. Don't put BTS and Tomorrow by Together in the same room. What happens when they are in the same room? Why is this YouTuber saying don't put them in the same room? Alright, let's start.
김남준, 김석진, 최희현, 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 최희현.
They won. Oh, the TXT is behind them.
여러분들, 덕분에 또 엠카운트 다운에서 1위를 하게 되었는데요. 뭐랄까 되게 감격스럽습니다. 이번 주가 마지막 주인데
That's so true. Hobie thinking I'm a present to be cherished. Yes.
네,
Why is Soobin so?
파이팅 넘치게 마무리 짓도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Soobin looks so lost. Oh, boys love. You think? Oh my god! Taejin! A Cookie can easily lift. Cookie's very strong.
Oh, Jackson! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh!
I think probably Tomorrow by Together is thinking these are not our seniors. They look like embarrassed children when your parents do something, when your parents dance in public and the children get embarrassed. This looks like that only. Look at their expressions. And Taeyang is like, don't go. But they're leaving now. Okay. Just smile and pretend you know the words, yes. Taeyang is literally the dad, huh? He's literally acting like the dad. He's like, come in front. Why are you hiding behind? Look at him. they look so, I don't know, they look so like they don't know how to react basically, because it's BTS first of all and they are the seniors technically, of course. And so they have to be a little like respectful, and they're thinking, no, we should be like respectful and stuff like that. We shouldn't, we should be like nice bachas. And BTS is literally being chaotic. They're like, do whatever the F you want to. Why are you behind? Taeyang is like, come in front. Soobin finally excited. He's
감사합니다. 고마워요. 감사합니다.
Jin and Soobin, you guys told me Soobin really likes Jin. Oh, I want to see this. Oh wow, why have I never seen these interactions, huh? I want. Can you suggest me more videos where I see 2 or more groups interacting with each other? I really would love to see those. Again the winning. You guys like my They won. I think they swept all the awards in Boy in Love era, right? Even Map of the Soul, I think they. So this is, I know this thing that happens, some sort of competition where there are points that are added and stuff like that, and it's pitted against one another. I don't know. This is something like that. I know it happens for the music bank thing. Oh, the video is not very clear. Chaeyoung is in his element, huh? Chaeyoung is completely in his element. Although I can see Tomorrow by Together, they are like, can we get down? Cosmin Hamilton. Oh, Tomorrow by Together, they're not leaving, they're still on the stage. Act cool. Chaeyoung is in his element. Tomorrow by Together is clueless at the back. Hey. Oh, so chaotic. Can you? Biggest boy band in the world. I present to you. Look, I trained. He's like, I'm in BTS now by TXT. This is terrifying. They are so stiff. I claim this. This one's mine. I love how comfortable they make Tomorrow by Together feel. Like, they're like literally their babies. Huh? They are also babies. And Tomorrow by Together are also their babies. Babies looking after babies. Have ENHYPEN and BTS interacted? Do let me know if there are videos of them. Tips. So all the interactions are there. I thought there would be some interactions in the Big Hit building, but okay. HYBE. I hope we win. You guys are gonna win. They are not even surprised that they won.
여러분 들으세요? 저희가 2주 동안 열심히 활동했는데 어떻게 진심이 잘 닿았는지 모르겠습니다. 저희가 보답해드리겠다 그랬는데 저희가
I love how the captions are being put. This YouTuber, Seokjin Mai feels, I love her captions, like the way she's putting all those captions. I have reacted to a couple of more of her videos. The way she does all the caption work, I love it. Oh, okay.
다음 주에도
Yoongi is like, homie is mine, huh? So? Chalo, I saw Twice also. So many other groups. I think in all of these music bank shows, Tomorrow by Together would be like, before the thing gets announced, like, our seniors, Bangtan is gonna win. So be ready to, stay on the stage, because even if we try and go down, they're gonna pull us back. What do you guys think? They would have this conversation. 12-man group, yes. So we are gonna go. They're not gonna let them go. They're slowly they're trying to move away. Yes.
So there you have it, ladies and gents. I think we can all agree BTS.
Where is this photograph? This looks amazing. Oh, I don't recognize him. He's also from Big Hit. I'm sure he's another artist. When is this? I love this.
Star too much for one stage. Sorry, this video was so dumb and literally the lowest of quality. It's been a rough one,
It's
but
okay.
THX for 50k subscribers. We love you all.
Wow. I really like this YouTuber. The edits of this YouTuber are amazing. Love it. Don't put BTS and TXT in the same room. But please put BTS and TXT in the same room, because I would love to see, I want to see idol interactions like this. The groups, of course, of the same company, like I asked you if ENHYPEN and BTS or ENHYPEN and TXT have had interactions. I would love to see those compilations, or groups from different companies. I know it's very difficult because there is strict monitoring on idol groups by their companies, so I do understand that the interactions would be very minimal. But as you guys told me, there are there's so many friends that from each other companies, from each other groups. So that I want to see that. So this was so much fun. I wish there would have been some interaction, because that picture at the end, that looks like that's in the BTS Big Hit building, HYBE building. Who else saw the HYBE, the new office space and everything, that entire video? I think it looks fabulous. I mean, I remember, I don't know in which BTS compilation where I said that they were in that tiny room, and I almost cried looking at that room because I saw how tiny it was, and you guys told me that all the members lived in that one single room. And now look at the HYBE building. Oh my god, it's insane. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen, man. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. You feel like you want to work for Big Hit Entertainment. Sorry, HYBE. So yeah, that was my reaction for Don't Put BTS and TXT in the Same Room. I loved it. I want to see more of such compilation and more of such interactions between different groups. So suggest me those videos, guys. And yes, do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.